In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocHub. Start by opening your browser and heading to DocHub.com. On the homepage, look for the New Document button and click it. When the upload window appears, choose Select Files. Navigate to the file on your computer that you want to work with. This could be a PDF, a Word document, or another supported format. Then confirm your choice. Next, click Create Document to import it into DocHub. If a welcome or onboarding prompt pops up, simply choose Skip so you can jump right into editing. To add text to your document, select the text tool in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the document canvas where you want the text to appear. Start typing your content. You can usually adjust font, size, color, and alignment from the formatting options, so take a moment to make it look clean and consistent. If the text box isn't exactly where you want it, just drag it to reposition and use the corner handles to resize if needed. If you need to add a stamp, like approved, draft, or a custom label, click the stamp tool. Pick the style you want, then click on the canvas to place it. You can move or resize the stamp the same way you would a text box, which is helpful if you're aligning it to a specific section or making it more subtle. Now let's add a signature. Click the sign button in the toolbar. Choose Create Your Signature to set one up. Select Draw, then use your mouse or trackpad to write your signature. Take your time so it looks the way you want. If you're not happy with it, redraw until it feels right. When you're satisfied, click Save as Default so you can reuse it without recreating it each time. With your default signature saved, click Sign again to open your Signatures panel. Select your saved signature and then click on the canvas to place it in the correct spot. Drag to fine-tune the position and use the handles to scale it up or down. Keep it legible and appropriately sized for the signature line. If you accidentally place it in the wrong spot, you can remove it and try again. And that's the core workflow. Upload your document, add text where needed, place any stamps, and sign with a saved signature. This approach keeps your process fast and consistent across documents. When you're done, review your changes to ensure everything is aligned and easy to read. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your document editing with DocHub.